Like a banana like chef can stress me out. Listen. Once again, come.
Oh yeah, go work. Alright, anyway, today I put some clothes in the machine to go wash, so me call you back. I'm at a fact. See my key call me a girl later, I'm gonna answer my ear me want. Alright. Well, let me call Destiny and now find out what I'm going to Jamaica.
Hello, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy baby. How are you?
I'm good, Mommy. I made a cheerleading team.
What? I am so proud of you.
Thank you, Mommy. I've cheerleading practice every Wednesday and Fridays.
You know what? I'm going to send down some new training gear so you can train in them. You hear me?
Okay.
Yes. And I want you to get somebody to record you while you're training so mommy can boast and say, yes, look at my daughter. You know what mommy boast by your foreign?
I will ask Daddy to come to one of my trainings and record it.
Well, you know your father is a very busy man, so I don't know if he'll be able to record it for you, but you can see.
Well, I can ask my teacher to do it too.
Oh, you can get a teacher to do it? That sounds like a plan, a good plan.
Destiny?
Well, for dinner, baby girl.
Chicken and rice.
Destiny! Who is that?
Hey, a little chicken and all, little girl.
That's Miss Basti.
Destiny. And who that?
It's Mommy.
Who is Miss Patsy?
She's Daddy's friend.
Oh, so daddy's friend is going to cook for you.
Yes.
Listen, don't know what she ask you, son.
We're at Daddy's new home.
Daddy have a new place?
Yes, Mommy.
No, man. Then a 20 question this.
Okay, baby. Let me talk to Miss Patsy. I'll talk back to you later, okay, baby? Alright, love you. Bye.
Okay, Mommy. Mommy wants to talk to you.
Pardon? Hello?
So, who are you?
Your daughter never just tell it woman. Means if you comprehension of school?
Oh, so you is my cute woman.
Well, Miss certainly is not your man.
Alright, you want me to say to you now. I don't care if you're a rat, dog, goose, cat, animal, man, woman. I don't care you. Me don't know you. I don't want you around my picnic. Much less you cook in my picnic.
One day. Destiny, Daddy, I'm going outside to start to mommy in here. Soon come back. Hello, Mama tell us something, Miss Muffet. I don't know who teeth you're tough at, but don't try to stop yourself.
My lord, what is like you take a bag from my picnic, man?
Hello, I'm gonna tell you something. You see any of me answer you today, you pick me go motherless. So make me tell you what you gonna do. You gonna go back to where dad do and hang up your phone. Alright?
Hey girl, me not hang up until you understand and tell me say you understand some know you cook in the picnic. Me like to want you run the picnic, girl.
Then what you girl, it's simple. If you don't want me cook for your dad, sir, you gotta do book a flight come down here and then come cook for yourself. If you don't want to do that, then go hire one chef somewhere to come cook for the girl.
You know tell me the day at Jamaica you could watch chat so.
No, tell me how much for your ticket. Tell me how much for your ticket so I can purchase a first class. Come on, you come down here for realize that I'm chat to you anyway I want that. So any day, anyhow, anyway.
Wait till me chat to all one Nike.
Chat to me. Not chat to him, girl. Me there. Me a listen. Go on.
Hey, me don't want chat to you. Me don't want chat to you. Damn bad sound like a creature them in a Jurassic Park.
And so me tell you where you have were big like Jurassic Park.
Stinking girl.
Hello, Stallion. Me not no more time for you. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna cook my man food. I'm gonna set that for dinner.
Hey, man, you know yourself. Hey, girl, let's do enough. Fuck you.
Destiny.
Okay, girl.
You might have to
Hey, hey.
Hey, God, darling.
Thanks, Miss Betsy.
Welcome, darling. So your anger and triangle, yeah, alright. Oh, how she feel like? Destiny, darling, don't forget your lunch. You're welcome.
See that boy a Mike, him no know where to do, you know. Him no know what him do, you know. Him no know what him do. It's World War III starter now. When it rains, it pours.